Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create fixed buttons in Elementor. Fixed buttons stay in place as users scroll through your page, making them perfect for calls to action like contact forms or sign-up links that you want visitors to see at all times. Let's start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to Pages and then click on All Pages in the left sidebar. This will show you a complete list of all the pages on your website. Look through the list and find the specific page where you want to add the fixed button. When you've located it, click on Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor page builder interface where we can start customizing. Now that you're in the Elementor editor, look for the plus icon in a section or column where you want the button initially placed. Clicking this plus icon creates a new structure element that will hold your button widget. You'll see the widget panel on the left side of your screen. In the search bar at the top of this panel, type button. This filters the available widgets and brings up the button widget option. Go ahead and drag the button widget into the structure you just added. With the button now on your page, click directly on the button widget to open its settings panel. You'll see several tabs here, but first focus on the Content tab. In the text field, type whatever label you want your button to display. For example, you might type Contact Us if you're creating a button that leads to your contact page. This text is what visitors will see and click on. Here's where we make the button fixed. Switch over to the Advanced tab at the top of the Settings panel. Once there, scroll down until you find the Positioning section. This is the key part that transforms your regular button into a fixed one. Click on the Position drop-down menu and select Fixed from the list of options. The moment you do this, your button will stay in the same position on the screen even as users scroll up and down the page. And there you have it. You've successfully created a fixed button in Elementor that will remain visible to your visitors throughout their browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.